What's up guys? So today's video is going to be my review on this brand called Eenour string lights. So they're such an amazing music rhythm solar string lights. You know, they're perfect to decorate your house, to decorate your room, you know, trees, whatever. So they're really cute and they change colors. So you can just click it and the lights will switch. They have different lights. They're fun for parties, for patio, camping, lantern, solar charging, shutterproof, IPX4 waterproof. So it's like a fantastic life with rhythm string lights. It's so cool and fun that the light color changes with the beat of music or voice, which brings you more fun and surprise. As summer is approaching, there's lots of chances to have fun outdoors, camping, picnic, and party. Your tents, patio, and parties will be added. Great ambience with the string lights. It allows you to set the mode based on live events, festivals, moods, and many more situations. So there are 3 modes: light yellow, color string, and music sync. So there are 3 different options of modes of lighting, including warm yellow, multi-color flashing along with music or sounds, which you can change the speed of the modes as well, so the lights flicker faster or slower. So the lights are voice command, which is hands-free and really convenient. It only needs your voice to prepare for gaming or party. The variety of colors and modes create a different vibe every night. It responds to your voice when you are right next to the string light. Voice mode is particularly sensitive. The lights work really good and change color even with low sounds. It's also a perfect present for children. Like dancing with music. Play or sing your favorite song and dance with the colorized beat in music mode. It will change its color, yellow, red, blue, pink, and so on, randomly, according to the music pace and volume. When the pace of music becomes fast, the whole changing pace of string lights will becomes fast and vice versa. The string lights add a great ambience to any location. They are easy to install and simple to use, respond to music or voice. You can use them in several locations, outdoors or even indoor parties, kids' bedroom and family room. It provides nice ambience lighting in a wide variety of colors. So you can also play songs you like and switch it to the rhythm mode. And the atmosphere of the party will change according to the pace of the music with the help of changeable light from their string lights. But it's a must-have for camping. Those of you who are into camping, you totally need this light. It adds, you know, great ambience during your camping experience and can last 10 to 12 hours on a single charge. You can take them everywhere camping, lake, beach, or to the park. And it's portable, so you can carry it everywhere you go. The string lights can be wound up in a neat little round box for storage. There is a rubber handle for you to hold as a camping lantern when you need to take it to somewhere dark. So it's wonderful. I mean, even for your van, you know, to light up your van, your campsite. It's come in this little thing. It says Eenour, that's the brand. And let's see, let's just open it. There's the key, like, you know, on and off, I think. That's cute. So it's like on and off and the music, I think. So let's just open this up. And this is the lock. Like if you want to lock it, you go right, you turn it to the right, and when you want to unlock it, you turn it to the left. Okay, so you turn left if you want to unlock it. Alright, so what do we have here? Let's see. So these are the string lights. You see, it has all the lights in it, like really cute stuff. So yeah, it's pretty long. Okay, so I guess this is the source, the power source or something. Oh, when I switch it on, it's like, it turns on. There's a switch, turn on, turn off, and the music. When you turn this on, it's gonna light up like this, which is really pretty. It has like different colors, you see. Oh, it's switch different colors, which is really pretty. The circuit itself. This is a control circuit, so like if you want to control it, it's from here. These lights are very sturdy, designed with advanced technology in chip and circuit. It is bright and long-lasting. The control circuit and RGB chip are integrated in a package of 50/50 components to form a complete addressable pixel. And each pixel of 3 primary color can achieve 256 brightness display, completed 16 million colors full color display that sync with the music to match your mood. So it has a handle, 10 powerful notes, and warm yellow. It has orange, black, it has different colors. So notes are controlled separately by IC, so they can show colors different from each other. A circuit is contained in this microchip. All nodes can be lightened up at the same time and shoot their light to all directions with steady brightness. There's a variety of color arrangements shown with these mini light modes. notes. And different color arrangement will create different atmospheres and different worlds of color. And the string lights are extendable, so you can always connect it, extend it to another cord. It's built-in rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, so you only need to charge this, okay, whenever you want to use. Like if the battery runs out for like 10 to 15 hours, then you can recharge this. The string lights can be fully charged within 2 hours via Type-C. You can charge it during your break time at daytime and take it out for camping. It lasts up to 12 hours of light on a single charge, so you can keep your day going long into the night. So charge for 2 hours. Built-in high efficiency 5V 3 watts polysilicon solar panel. It can be recharged fully via solar 6 to 12 to 20 hours. You can simply put it outside for powering up via this built-in solar panel during the day. As long as there is a solar source, it will be charged continuously. It's easy though to just leave it hanging in the sun. So it can last up to 2 to 12 hours continuously on a single charge. And it also has the battery indicator. If it shows white, it means more than 90%. Green, less than 90%. So battery level indicator, when it's white, it means it's more than 90%. Green, more than 70%. Orange, more than 30%. And red, more than 5%. So the battery is going to run out within 30 minutes. All the node will blink in red rapidly. In this cases, please recharge it as soon as possible. So it's very easy to store and carry, portable for sure. It can be stored wherever within its case. It's really compact and doesn't take space in your backpack. And you can also get a new one, get another one, and extend the cord. Make it really long. So first, you actually need to press it counterclockwise rotation. So you need to counterclockwise rotation and take out the cord. So that's how you actually take it out. And you press it. Oh yeah, that's going on good, right? That's going on like that. And then clockwise rotation. And close. So it's solid and waterproof. The nylon braided cord and nodes is IPX7 waterproof level, and the main part is IPX4 waterproof level. It's rain resistant. So whenever it rains, you don't have to worry about electrocutions or whatever, The cord can support 50 kilograms tensile force. It can be easily hung from above. Alright guys, I'm going to show you footage of me trying out all the lights, and I'm going to show you the different modes. Okay guys, so I guess that's it. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this product, about the string lights. I think that they're really pretty, they make such a great decoration. Your house, for camping, or for your van, or for your patio, whatever. It makes such an amazing, beautiful addition for your outdoor space or even indoor space. If you want to decorate your kids' room, your bedroom, your party, your living room, whatever, it makes such a great addition. So you definitely have to check them out. I've already put the link down below in the description box. So you go click on the link, it's gonna bring you to the website and you can get it, alright? You can purchase it. And it's really affordable. I really, really like this product. So I totally recommend you guys to get this. Such an amazing product. So I need it, for like festivals, for like festive season. So it's amazing. So overall, I really like this product. The string lights, they are just really festive and really cute. Like gives you that kind of ambience. A great ambience, festive, emotional, happy, everything. Celebrations, anniversary, for your park, for your patio, everywhere. So, alright, let me know in the comments below what you think about these string lights, okay? And it's so beautiful because it has different colors and different modes. I'm just in love. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah!